close that card.
Yeah.
They're gonna send me a new one. They're gonna reverse all the charges. Which, it's normal.
But we all pay for that because whoever did that got away with those charges.
Well, they're gonna reverse.
Right, but the bank
whatever.
Still has to pay for
yeah,
it.
whatever charges that were posted, they're gonna eat it out. Capital One will eat it. Whichever ones were not posted, that were just authorizations.
Yeah.
Then yes, they're not gonna pay for it, obviously.
Right.
And then later that day, I get an email. It says your Apple ID has been blocked.
Well, I get that one all the time.
Please use this link to do this. I'm like, well, I normally do, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like, wait a second, first the credit card, then the Apple ID. Like, what is this? Someone really is after me, or I've gotten hold of a lot of information.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, I didn't rush into it. I'm like, oh. When they send you an email, you can actually click on the sender's name or whatever it is, and then it will show the email address where they sent it from.
Right.
So when I click it, it's like a bogus email. I'm like,
right.
But it looks so real. Like, I mean, given the circumstances where, I had this thing going on. I mean, coincidentally, it was all. I could have easily just hit that link, because if you hit the link and you put in the password, done. They get, they have
got your password.
Yeah, but thank God, I held off on it. I'm like, let me just,
I got one of those emails not that long ago that said they had my email address, and in the body of the email it said, this is your email address and this is your PIN number. And it was my PIN number for my bank account, my online bank account. And it's the only account that I have that one PIN, pins or password. And I said, crap. So I went to my bank account, nothing's happened there, and I changed my security settings on my bank account.
Right.
So it actually has to have my thumbprint.
Yeah.
Or I have to answer security questions if I do it just online.
Right. And and then this past few days, maybe a week or so, I get this voicemail from here. Let's see if it's a number that I don't even use. Like, I have Google Voice number.
Yeah.
I don't use that. It's just, since it was free, I got it.
Right.
So it says, the reason you have received this phone call from our department is to inform you that we just suspend, and they all have, like spelling errors and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So we just suspend your social security number because we found some suspicious activity, right?
Right.
So, I mean, I know it's bogus because nobody has this number.
Right.
It's like a number that I don't even use. Nobody, nowhere in the online profiles, digital, credit cards, bank, nobody has this number.
Right.
It's like a up in the air number, if you will. But yeah, so I know it's it's crap. It's bogus. And if you pay attention, all of those scams, they all have spelling errors.
Yeah.
They're not, it's not 100% grammar. Error free. Yeah, so it's interesting, but like you said, everybody knows about it, but people still fall for it. I mean, look, if they send it to a middle-aged or maybe a little older person that emailed from Apple, let's say what looks like an Apple ID thingy, right?